Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of business proposals and discussing how to write an effective one. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a seasoned professional, knowing how to craft a compelling business proposal is a very important skill to possess. So let's get started. Number 1. Understanding the purpose. Before we delve into the nitty-gritty details, let's first understand the purpose of a business proposal. A business proposal is a document that outlines your ideas, products, or services and presents them to potential clients or investors. It serves as a persuasive tool to convince them why they should choose your business over others. Number 2. Research and preparation. Now that we know what a business proposal is, let's talk about the steps involved in writing one. The first step is thorough research and preparation. This involves understanding your target audience, their needs, and how your business can fulfill those needs. Take the time to gather relevant information and conduct market research to strengthen your proposal. Number 3. Structure of a business proposal. A well-structured business proposal is essential to keep your reader engaged and make your ideas clear. Here's a typical structure you can follow. Firstly, title piece. Include your company name, proposal title, and date. Second is executive summary. Provide a concise overview of your proposal, highlighting its key points. Third is introduction. Here, introduce your company and provide background information. Fourth is problem statement. Identify the client's problems or needs in this part. Fifth is proposed solution. Explain how your product or service solves the problem. Sixth is methodology and timeline. Describe the steps you'll take and the time frame for implementation. Seventh is pricing and payment. Here, clearly outline the cost and payment terms. Eighth is company overview. Present your company's credentials, experience, and track records. Ninth is testimonials and case studies. Here, include any relevant success stories to build your credibility. And finally, conclusion. Here, summarize the main points and call to actions. Now let's move on to number 4, writing style and language. When it comes to writing your business proposal, clarity and professionalism are key. Use concise language, avoid jargon words, and be specific about the benefits your proposal offers. Make sure to proofread and edit your proposal thoroughly to eliminate any errors or typos. Number 5. Visual elements. Adding visual elements to your business proposal can greatly enhance its appeal. Incorporate charts, graphs, images, and infographics to present data or illustrate your ideas. Just remember to keep them relevant and visually appealing. Now let's move on to number 6. Tips for success. To make your business proposal stand out, here are a few additional tips for you. Customize your proposal for each client to show you understand their specific needs. Highlight your unique selling points and what sets you apart from competitors. Keep your proposal concise and focused, aiming for no more than 10 to 15 pages. Use a professional and visually appealing design to make a good impression. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to write an effective business proposal. Remember that practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if your first few proposals aren't flawless. Keep refining your skills, learn from feedback, and soon enough, you'll be crafting winning proposals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more knowledgeable videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you have any questions or additional tips on writing business proposals, feel free to share them in the comment section below.